Travel smarter, not harder. Today, we're counting down the top 20 travel gadgets on Amazon under $20. Genius, budget-friendly tools that make every trip easier, more organized, and way more fun. From clever packing hacks to futuristic gadgets you didn't know existed, these finds are small in price but massive in impact. Stick around till the end. The final travel gadget is a total game changer you'll wish you had on your last trip. Number 1. Saunorch Travel Adapter. Traveling internationally often comes with the headache of incompatible plugs and voltages. The Saunorch Travel Adapter solves this by providing universal compatibility with outlets in over 150 countries. Made from durable, fire-resistant materials, it features built-in safety shutters and surge protection. Compact and lightweight, it easily fits in carry-on bags. Perfect for frequent travelers, it ensures your devices stay powered safely and conveniently wherever your adventures take you. Number 2. ZXA Vacuum Storage Bag. Packing for trips or storing seasonal clothing can take up too much space. The ZXA Vacuum Storage Bag allows you to compress clothes, bedding, and blankets with an airtight seal. Made from strong, BPA-free materials, it protects items from moisture, dust, and odors. Perfect for travelers or home organizers, it maximizes storage space, keeps your belongings safe, and simplifies packing and storage for every season or journey. Number 3. Jivcok Mini Binoculars. Sightseeing, hiking, or sporting events often require clear, close-up views. The Jivcok Mini Binoculars provide magnification with a wide field of view in a compact, lightweight design. Constructed with durable materials and coated lenses, they deliver sharp images with minimal distortion. Perfect for travelers, hikers, or outdoor enthusiasts. They enhance experiences, allow for detailed observation, and easily fit in a pocket or backpack for convenience on the go. Number 4. Lisen Airplane iPhone Holder. Trying to watch videos or read on a flight without a hands-free solution is uncomfortable. The Lisen Airplane iPhone Holder clamps securely to tray tables or seat backs, keeping your phone at the perfect viewing angle. Made from durable, adjustable materials, it holds devices steadily during turbulence. Perfect for travelers, it enhances comfort, frees your hands, and makes in-flight entertainment or video calls effortless and enjoyable. Number 5. Jisulife Mini Rechargeable Fan. Air circulation in stuffy hotels, planes, or outdoor areas can be uncomfortable. The Jisulife Mini Rechargeable Fan offers portable cooling with a quiet, rechargeable motor and adjustable speeds. Lightweight and compact, it fits easily in backpacks or desk spaces. Perfect for travelers, campers, and students, it delivers reliable airflow, enhances comfort during heat, and provides a convenient, energy-efficient solution wherever you go. Number 6. Napfun Memory Foam Neck Pillow. Sleeping upright on planes, trains, or cars can strain your neck and shoulders. The Napfun Memory Foam Neck Pillow provides ergonomic support with soft, breathable memory foam that adapts to your shape. Its removable, washable cover adds convenience, while compact design ensures portability. Perfect for frequent travelers, it improves comfort, reduces fatigue, and helps you arrive feeling rested and refreshed no matter how long the journey. Number 7. Temdan USB-C Multi-Cable. Charging multiple devices on the go can be frustrating without the right cable. The Temdan USB-C Multi-Cable combines USB-C, Lightning, and micro USB connectors in one durable, tangle-free design. Reinforced materials ensure long-lasting use while supporting fast charging. Perfect for travelers and tech enthusiasts, it reduces clutter, ensures compatibility with multiple devices, and keeps your gadgets powered conveniently anywhere. Number 8. 4 Monster Hiking Daypack. Carrying essentials for day hikes can strain your back if your backpack isn't well designed. The 4 Monster Hiking Daypack features ergonomic shoulder straps, multiple compartments, and water-resistant fabric for comfort and protection. Lightweight but durable, it accommodates water bottles, snacks, and outdoor gear. Perfect for hikers, campers, and adventurers, it improves organization, reduces fatigue, and ensures everything you need is easily accessible on the trail. Number 9. TakeToday Collapsible Water Bottle. Staying hydrated while traveling or exercising can be inconvenient if your bottle is bulky. The TakeToday Collapsible Water Bottle is flexible, BPA-free, and collapses for easy storage when empty. Its durable, leak-proof design withstands daily use and outdoor conditions. Perfect for hikers, travelers, and commuters, it keeps you hydrated, saves space in bags, and combines portability with practicality for every activity. Number 10. BEVA Travel Power Strip. Keeping multiple devices charged in hotels or shared outlets can be a challenge. The BEVA Travel Power Strip features multiple outlets and USB ports in a compact, lightweight design with surge protection and safety shutters. Durable materials ensure long-term use during frequent travel. Perfect for tech-savvy travelers, it keeps phones, laptops, and other devices charged safely, reduces clutter, and provides convenience wherever your journey takes you. Number 11. Nausea Relief Inhaler. Motion sickness or travel nausea can ruin trips. The Nausea Relief Inhaler provides instant relief with natural, inhalable essential oils that calm the stomach. Compact and pocket-sized, and it's easy to carry on planes, cars, or boats. Perfect for travelers prone to motion sickness, it offers fast-acting comfort, non-messy relief, and a convenient solution to enjoy your journey without discomfort. Number 12. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. Access to clean water in remote areas is essential for safety. The LifeStraw Personal Water Filter removes bacteria, parasites, and microplastics from rivers, lakes, or streams. Lightweight and durable, it fits in any backpack and requires no batteries. Perfect for hikers, campers, or emergency preparedness, it ensures safe drinking water, reduces risk of illness, and provides peace of mind in any outdoor adventure. Number 13. Clean Skin Club Pads. Removing makeup or cleansing skin while traveling can be messy. Clean Skin Club Pads are reusable, washable, and made from soft, eco-friendly materials that effectively remove makeup or dirt without irritation. Compact and lightweight, they fit in any travel bag. Perfect for travelers and skincare enthusiasts, they reduce waste, simplify skincare routines, and keep your skin clean and healthy on the go. Number 14. Baby Thermometer Fever Alarm. Monitoring a baby's temperature while traveling or at home can be stressful. The Baby Thermometer Fever Alarm provides accurate readings instantly with a digital display and built-in alert for high temperatures. Made from safe, APS-C/PA-free materials, it's gentle for infants. Perfect for parents, it ensures peace of mind, helps track fevers accurately, and allows for timely care anytime, anywhere. Number 15. Lamicall Car Tablet Holder. Watching movies or keeping kids entertained during road trips can be tricky. The Lamicall Car Tablet Holder securely mounts tablets to headrests, offering adjustable angles and a stable grip. Durable materials provide long-term use, and easy installation requires no tools. Perfect for family travel, it keeps passengers entertained, hands-free, and comfortable while on the road. Number 16. Glocusent Bendable Reading Light. Reading in low-light situations during flights, trains, or camping trips can strain your eyes. The Glocusent Bendable Reading Light features flexible arms, bright LED illumination, and rechargeable battery for portable, customizable lighting. Lightweight and compact, it easily clips onto books or surfaces. Perfect for travelers, students, and outdoor enthusiasts, it provides reliable illumination, reduces eye strain, and enhances reading comfort anywhere. Number 17. Dreamegg White Noise Machine. Falling asleep in noisy hotels, planes, or unfamiliar environments can be tough. The Dreamegg White Noise Machine produces soothing soundscapes with adjustable volume and multiple sound modes. Compact, portable, and easy to use, it helps create a calm, sleep-friendly environment. Perfect for travelers, parents, or office workers, it improves sleep quality, reduces distractions, and promotes relaxation wherever you are. Number 18. Earth Breeze Detergent. Sheets packing heavy detergent for travel is inconvenient. Earth Breeze detergent sheets are lightweight, eco-friendly, and dissolve completely in water for effective cleaning. They're gentle on clothes, compact for packing, and reduce plastic waste. Perfect for travelers, students, and eco-conscious users, they simplify laundry on the go, save space, and make cleaning convenient without compromising environmental responsibility. Number 19. Sabrent USB-C SD Reader. Transferring photos, videos, or files between devices can be slow without proper adapters. The Sabrent USB-C SD Reader provides fast, reliable data transfer from SD or micro SD cards to laptops or tablets. Durable, lightweight construction ensures portability, while plug-and-play design makes it user-friendly. Perfect for photographers, travelers, or students, it simplifies workflow, speeds up transfers, and keeps media organized anywhere. Number 20. Quadish Travel Utensils. Set eating healthy meals while traveling can be difficult without portable tools. The Quadish Travel Utensils set includes a fork, spoon, knife, and chopsticks, all made from durable, food-grade stainless steel with a compact carrying case. Lightweight and reusable, it reduces waste from disposable utensils. Perfect for travelers, campers, and students. It ensures convenient, eco-friendly dining on the go without sacrificing quality or hygiene. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel hacks. Check out our full list of top 20 travel gadgets on Amazon. Under $20 to save money, stay organized, and make every trip easier, smarter, and more enjoyable.